So what's going on, everybody? I have finally upgraded my man cave to the EUHOMY mini refrigerator because I was wanted to get rid of my regular refrigerator that holds, food and stuff like that, but I just didn't keep no food really. So I wanted to upgrade my man cave to a beverage refrigerator, and this is really, really cool. I am really satisfied because I'm loving the fainted blue light that's in this EUHOMY mini refrigerator. Loving the glass door. Loving the handles as well. Stainless steel. And the thing about this is you can take this off down here and you can put this over here so the door can come open left or right of your specifications of what you want and stuff like that. And I filled my refrigerator up of my, special beverages that I, drink on a modern day basis when I'm sitting right here in my man cave on the weekends and stuff like that. And as you guys can see, all up inside right there, we're raw and uncut. And got the temperature gauges right there from the, cold Fahrenheit as well. And hey, this is really, really cool. And down here, I bought me a refrigerator riser as well. I'm going to put that in my affiliate store so you guys can find it as well too. So like I said, y'all, thank you. And make sure you guys follow me on my other social medias, which is my YouTube called @BigBearTheBear. And I'll see you guys again with another review.
And with the glass front, it's been fantastic sitting out here on our pool deck. And this is the second season we've had it. And it has been extremely reliable. It's got touch controls inside of the unit. So when it opens, hopefully you can see this. You can adjust the temperature there very easily. And it's just been a real workhorse for us. I'd give this a 5 out of 5. Hope that helps.
Les muestro cómo queda el refrigerador. Está la luz incluida y alusa más o menos bien, pero obstruye un poco la comida. La luz ahí no deja que pase la luz a las áreas de abajo, pero sí funciona más o menos bien.
Working great.